Students, today we are going to talk about subtraction with regrouping. Here I have one example: 14,389 minus 9,762. We'll subtract it using regrouping. Regrouping means, like, first you can see it is 9 and 2. So 9 minus 2 is 7. 8 minus 6 is 2. 3 minus 7 is not possible. So here we are going to make a group. That means we are going to borrow 1/10 from 4. So after taking 1/10, it will become 13, and this 4 will become 3. So 13 minus 7 is 6. And then now it is 3 and this is 9. Again subtraction is not possible, so this 1 will give 1/10 to 3 and it will become 13, and this will be 0. So 13 minus 9 is 4. This is your answer. Always remember that the answer in subtraction is called difference, and the number from which we subtract is called minuend. The number which is being subtracted is called subtrahend. To learn or to remember these terms, you take the first letter of these words, M, S and D. You can learn it, you can keep it in your mind using a term MSD, Mahendra Singh Dhoni. M for minuend, S for subtrahend and D for difference. This is the term, these are the terms we should learn regarding subtraction. Now I am going to tell you how to check, because exercise 2B question number 1 is exercise 2B question number 1, subtract, add to check your answer. So here first we'll subtract and then we'll add to check our answer. So I'm going to tell you how to subtract and check. I'm taking one example, question number 1E. It is written 7,839 minus 4,234. This is your question. Now first of all you will arrange the digits, 7,839 and then 4,234 minus 9 minus 4 is 5, 3 minus 3 is 0, 8 minus 2 is 6 and 7 minus 4 is 3. This is simple subtraction. After that we have to check. Check means you will take this number, means the difference will be written first, 3,605, and then the number which is being subtracted means 4,234. 4,234 will be written here. 4,034 means the subtrahend will be written. Now we'll add. Difference plus subtrahend should be equal to the minuend. If it is equal, means if your answer, whatever sum will come, it is equal to the minuend, that means your subtraction is correct. So 5 plus 4 is 9, 0 plus 3 is 3, 6 plus 2 is 8 and 3 plus 4 is 7. 7,839, and here also you can see it is 7,839. So we can say that our answer is correct. Very same way you are going to solve exercise 2B question number E, F, G and H. Then question number 2, you can see it's written subtract, watch out for the zeros. Watch out for the zeros means that if there is a question. Suppose I'm taking F from question number 2. It is written 5002 minus 2049. This is the question. So first of all, arrange 0, 0, 2, 0, 4, 9. Watch out for zeros means be alert if there is 0 in the number, because here this is the only point where we do a lot of mistakes or common errors, we can say. So again you can see that 2 minus 9 is not possible, so this 0 will give 1/10, but 0 can't give. This 0 will come to this 0, again it will not be able to give anything, so this 0 will ask 1/10 from 5 and it will become 10, and this 5 will become 4. Now this 10 will give 1/10 to this 0, so it will become 9, and this 10 will give 1/10 to 2. Now it is 12 and this is 9. Now subtraction is possible. So 12 minus 9 is 3. 9 minus 4 is 5. 9 minus 0 is 9. 4 minus 2 is 2. This is your answer. So you have to write the answer 2953. Clear? Very same way for first one also you will write the answer. Your answer is 3605, because you have to subtract. That is why your answer is this one, 3605. So this is the way you have to solve question number 1 and 2 in your maths copy. Question number 1 and 2 both are your copy work, and question number 2 you are going to solve F, G, I and J, these 4 questions. After that, question number 3, you can see it's written which year are we in now. So we are in 2020, or we can say 2020. So how long ago were these invented? Like first is written photocopier 1937, refrigerator 1834, adding machine 1642, pressure cooker 1679, pocket watch 1510. So we have to find out that how long ago were these invented. So how are we going to solve it? You will solve this question in your copy. So first, question number 3, I'm solving first one. So first is written photocopier. Photocopier is 1937. So you will write that this is means this year is 2020, so you write 2020, and how long ago were these invented. So photocopier was invented in 1937, so we are going to subtract 1937 from 2020. 10, see, now this is 10 and this will become 1. 10 minus 7 is 3. 1 minus 3 is not possible. So this 2 will give 1/10 to this 0, and then this 10 will give 1/10 to this 1. So 11 minus 3 is 8. 9 minus 9 is 0, and this is 1. 1 minus 1 is 0. That means 83 years ago photocopier was invented. So we are writing the answer 83 years ago photocopier was invented. Okay, this is the way we have to solve question number 3. So rest of the questions like refrigerator, adding machine, pressure cooker, pocket watch, everything till thermometer you have to solve on your own. Okay, I hope it is clear to you all. So this is the work for today. Till then, take care. Bye bye.